The doctrine of transferred intent provides that when a perpetrator intends to harm a particular person, but inadvertently harms a different person, the perpetrator may be held liable for that inadvertent harm. The perpetrator's intent to harm the first person is said to be transferred to the inadvertently harmed person. This doctrine is well established in criminal law, but does it also apply to intentional torts? The Connecticut Supreme Court addressed this question in Alteiri v. Colasso. In April 1966, Richard Alteiri, a minor, was playing in a friend's backyard. John Colasso threw a rock into the yard. The rock hit Alteiri in the eye, causing him permanent injury. Alteiri and his mother brought a battery action against Colasso. The case went to trial. After administering final jury instructions, the judge submitted the case to the jury along with several special interrogatories. The jury found that Colasso threw the rock that injured Alteiri, and that Colasso threw the rock intending to scare someone other than Alteiri. The jury also found that Colasso didn't intend to strike Alteiri or anyone else. Ultimately, the jury found for Alteiri. The judge entered a verdict against Colasso for willful battery. Colasso moved to set aside the verdict and for a judgment notwithstanding the verdict. The court denied both motions. Colasso appealed, arguing that the jury's express finding that Colasso hadn't thrown the stone intending to strike Alteiri or anyone else couldn't support its verdict for willful battery.